Hi, I'm Aqsa Taylor, Director of Product Management at Gutsy. What will the job of an ID auditor look like in 20 years? I don't think AI or machine learning or robots are going to completely kill the job of an ID auditor because there will always be a human element to decision making, analyzing exceptions that I don't think can be replaced with technology or code logic. I do think, however, that the job will be heavily transformed with the introduction of techniques such as data science techniques such as process mining and machine learning. So instead of manually collecting data from an organization and then analyzing a sample set of it, correlating activity, and trying to make sense of the processes, giving out questionnaires to ask things, how things are done, and then making assessments, auditors will rely instead on process mining tools to do that correlation for them, to automatically ingest data from large amounts of systems and tools, process that large quantities of data, correlate activity, and show how the processes work in almost near real time as well, so that they can make that assessment based on machine-driven logic instead of human assumptions and make the whole process more faster and efficient instead of labor-intensive and manual. I think that's how the job of an ID auditor will be transformed in 20 years.